Question number 1. 2n is equal to 16 in a primary spermatocyte which is in metaphase of first meiotic division. What shall be the total number of chromatids in each of the secondary spermatocyte? Answer B. 16. Chromatids are of the two thread-like strands into which a chromosome divides longitudinally during cell division. Each contains a double helix of DNA. Question number 2. Pick the mammal with true placenta. Answer D. Mongoose. The mammal that has a true placenta is the mongoose. A kangaroo is a type of mammal called as marsupial, and the echidna and platypus are both mammals known as monotremes. Now we'll move to question number 3. Most of the endangered species are the victims of answer A. Habitat destruction. Habitat destruction is the loss of natural habitat due to which some species extinct or endangered as they are unfit to support the altered habitat. Habitat loss is probably the greatest threat to the variety of life on this planet today. It is identified as a main threat to 85% of all species described in the IUCN's Red List. Thus, the correct answer is option A. Question number 4. Which one of the following is an exotic carp species? Cyprinus carpio. Cyprinus carpio, Linnaeus 1758. The common carp or European carp. Cyprinus carpio is a widespread freshwater fish of eutrophic waters in lakes and large rivers in Europe and Asia. So we'll move to the next question number, that is 5. Which one of the following is an example of chlorophyllous thallophyte? Answer B. Spirogyra. Spirogyra is a filamentous green alga that belongs to the subkingdom Thallophyte. This alga are found in freshwater habitats. Question number 6. A female Anopheles mosquito can be recognized by A. Proboscis and palpi are long and more or less of equal length. Anopheles is a genus of mosquito first described and named by J.W. Migan in 1818. About 460 species are recognized. While over 100 can transmit human malaria, only 30 to 40 commonly transmit parasites of the genus Plasmodium, which cause malaria in humans in endemic areas. Question number 7. Which one of the following pairs is an example for lateral meristem? Answer C. Phlogiston and fascicular cambium. Definition of lateral meristem. A meristem as the cambium and cork cambium that is arranged parallel to the sides of an organ and that is responsible for increase in diameter of the organ. We'll move to the next question, friends, that is question number 8. Which one of the following is not related to guttation? Answer C. Water is given out during daytime. Guttation is a secretion of droplets of water from the pores of plants. Question number 9. Which one of the following is not an antitranspirant? Answer B. BAP. Antitranspirants are compounds applied to the leaves of plants to reduce transpiration. They are used for Christmas trees, on cut flowers, on newly transplanted shrubs, and in other applications to preserve and protect plants from drying out too quickly. Phenyl mercuric acetate, PMA. Question number 10. Which one of the following human cells do not contain mitochondria? Answer B. Red blood cell. Mitochondria is an organelle found in large number in most cells in which the biochemical processes of respiration and energy production occur. It has a double membrane, the inner part being folded inwards to form layers, crissae. Question number 11. Which of the following prevents the conversion of prothrombin to thrombin in an undamaged blood cell? Answer D. Heparin. Heparin is an anticoagulant blood thinner that prevents the formation of blood clots. Heparin is used to treat and prevent blood clots caused by certain medical conditions or medical procedures. It is also used before surgery to reduce the risk of blood clots. Question number 12. Which one of the following is a unicellular non-motile desmet? Answer C. Cosmarium. Cosmarium is a genus of freshwater organisms belonging to the Chirophyte, a division of green algae from which the land plants Embryophyta emerge. Question number 13. Which one of the following immunoglobulins is found as pentamer? Answer B. IgM. Pentamer is a polymer comprising 5 monomer units. Question number 14. Which one of the following would be insignificant amount in xylem sap? Answer D. Sugar. Sap is a fluid transported in xylem cells, vessel elements or tracheids or phloem, sieve tube elements of a plant. These cells transport water and nutrients throughout the plant. Now we will move to question number 15. Which one of following two hormones are essential for induced breeding of fishes? Answer C. FSH and LH. The FSH, follicle stimulating hormone, blood test is used to help diagnose problems with sexual development. Follicle stimulating hormone is produced by the pituitary gland. It regulates the functions of both the ovaries and testes. The LH blood test measures the amount of luteinizing hormone, which is also secreted by the pituitary gland. Question number 16. Which of the following is not correctly matched? C. Ascaris flame cell. Ascaris is a genus of parasitic nematode worms known as the small intestinal roundworms, which is a type of parasitic worm. One species, Ascaris lumbricoides, affects humans and causes the disease ascariasis. Another species, Ascaris sum, typically infects pigs. A flame cell is a specialized excrete cell found in the simplest freshwater invertebrates, including flatworms, rotifers, and nematines. These are the simplest animals to have a dedicated excrete system. Flame cells function like a kindling, removing waste materials. Question number 17. Gastrula has a pore which is known as, answer B, blastopore. Gastrula is an embryo at the stage following the blastula when it is a hollow cup-shaped structure having 3 layers of cells. Gastrulation is a phase early in the embryonic development of most animals during which the single-layered blastula is reorganized into multi-layered structure known as the gastrula. Question number 18. Identify the group which includes animals, all of which give birth to young ones directly. Answer D. Dolphin, kangaroo, bat, cat. Question number 19. Mannitol is a sugar alcohol. Mannitol is a type of sugar alcohol used as a sweetener and medication. As a sweetener, it is used in diabetic food as it is poorly absorbed by the intestines. As a medication, it is used to decrease pressure in the eyes as in glaucoma and to lower increased intracranial pressure. Medically, it is given by injection. Question number 20. If the person shows the production of interferons in his body, chances are that he is suffering from measles. Measles is caused by infection with a virus from the paramoxyvirus family. A viral infection that serious for small children, but it's easily preventable by a vaccine. Question number 21. A plant cell becomes turgid, swollen and distended or congested due to, answer C, endosmosis. Endosmosis is the movement of the water inside the cells when the cell is placed in a hypertonic solution. This movement of water causes the cell to swell. Question number 22. More men suffer from color blindness than women because answer D. Men are hemizygous and one defective gene is enough to make them colorblind. Hemizygosity is often used to describe X-linked genes in males who have only one X chromosome. Question number 23. Which substance is higher concentration in blood than in glomerular filtrate? Answer C. Plasmaproteins. Kidneys are able to filter our blood for excreting nitrogenous waste products. The filtrate that accumulates immediately after filtering the blood is called glomerular filtrate. Question number 24. Which state of malarial parasite is infective to man? Answer D. Sporozoite. Sporozoite is the malaria organism that is typically the infective agent introduced into a man. Question number 25. Which one of the following theories at the origin of life is mostly accepted? Answer D. Chemical origin. The chemical origin of life refers to the conditions that might have existed and therefore promoted the first replicating life forms. It considers the physical and chemical reactions that could have led to early replicative molecules.